Hey everyone, Jonathan here from the Protocase team. For today's Proto Tech Tip, we're going to cover our new annealing options for stainless steel. Here at Protocase, we understand that lead times stifle projects. They let your focus and momentum drift away, with latencies complicating production runs and encouraging inventory buildup. It doesn't have to be this way. We've developed a unique mass custom manufacturing process that's ultra fast, flexible, and easy. Get custom enclosures and parts in 2 to 3 days with no minimum order. To make sure your parts get manufactured exactly as you require them in our ultra-fast one-stop shop, we constantly look to add new services to our capabilities. Our latest addition to Protocase Custom Manufacturing is a new color option for Anneal laser marking. To begin with, let's cover the basics of laser marking. This is an ultra-precise, efficient means of permanent marking that offers an enormous amount of versatility. You may have also heard of it as etching or engraving. Laser marking is an ideal way to permanently mark your enclosure or parts for labeling, serialization, branding, or schematics. To create laser marking, a low-powered laser beam moves across the material. The energy from the laser beam creates a reaction that will slightly alter the material's properties and appearance in order to create a permanent mark. The laser beam's speed, power, and focus creates different laser marks. For aluminum, there are several types of laser marking. You can learn more in our Proto Tech Tip dedicated to laser marking. Check that out in the description below for the link to that video. For stainless steel, we offer one type of laser marking, and that is anneal. This is done by applying a large amount of heat to the metal while minimizing the aggressiveness of the mark. The end result is a permanent marking that has a smooth surface finish. Before today, there was only one annealing option, a medium brown to black mark. Now, we have new color options for the annealing process. These options include anneal black, anneal green, anneal sunset gold, anneal blue silver, and you can also still choose the default anneal, which is that medium brown black color I'd mentioned before. It's important to note that the colors might sometimes change if the text and logos being marked are situated close together due to the added heat. For example, green might turn into gold. We also provide the option of multicolor annealing. If required, we can mix and match different colors to get multicolored logo or design. We offer laser marking in the anneal category on all of our bare metal finishes, including grain finish, vibratory finish, and media blasting. You can also opt to anneal your powder-coated parts. To do this, we will first ablate the stainless steel part that's been powder coated, then anneal over those same areas. One important note, for annealing on powder coated parts, you can only opt for the blue-silver anneal color. You can learn more about laser marking on our website, and if you'd like annealing quoted on your next stainless steel project, note it in your request for quote. If you have any questions on the new anneal color options or about laser marking as a whole, contact us. Our team would be happy to discuss your requirements. That's all I have for you in this week's Proto Tech Tip. Thank you for watching, and if you like our content, don't miss out on liking and sharing this video, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care.